I'm about to do a tech review video with a drone made by Ruko, and we're gonna see how good the drone is. Where up, Slime? This F11PRO drone, I'm about to tell you guys about this drone. Now, remind you guys, I fly nothing but professional drones. So when you're watching my YouTube videos and you see that cinematic, beautiful looking drone footage, it comes from a professional drone. Now, the difference I'm going to tell you guys about this drone and my other drones is, this drone is for an amateur. So if you're looking to fly a drone and to learn how to fly a drone, this would be the best drone to buy because the price is reasonable. You can fly it, you can crash it, you can do whatever you need to do so you can learn how to fly your first drone before you getting into spending $800, $1,000, $2,000 in a drone. A good thing about me, I learned how to fly my drone before I crashed it. That's crazy. Now listen, I only was doing it because I was distracted by some kids. And when this little girl distracted me, my drone flew right into a tree, and it crashed. That was the first time I ever crashed a drone. You're gonna have to stay away from trees, anything that this drone can hit, because it wobbles a lot when it's in the air. So you wanna take this drone and put it out like in the middle of the court or something, and put the drone up in the air, and you fly this drone. I'm telling you guys now, ain't nothing wrong with this drone. It's a good drone for amateurs. So this wouldn't be a bad buy for you to learn how to fly the drone. Now I'm gonna show you guys something, because like my DJI drone, I love how it's really easy to, the legs to open, and these legs are really good to open on this drone because it folds in. So I'm gonna show you guys. So you see how the drone folds, see how the drone is? And then this is how you take the legs out. It's really easy and convenient for when you're flying a drone. This one here, you just pull out, and you pull the other leg out, and voila, your drone is ready. And another good thing about this is it comes with an extra battery. So this is nothing but a battery on top of the drone. So you put it on top, bam, you're in there, and this is how it goes. Also, it comes with a lot of trinkets inside the box. Let me show you guys. This is the box it comes with, and it's a nice casing for your drone. So also it comes with extra blades, so that's a good thing. It comes with all your stuff you need to know and learn about the drone right here in this side pocket. So when you get it, you want to go in here and get everything about the drone. And also inside the side pocket, it comes with extra stuff that the drone may need. The charger. It don't come with the box port, but it comes with the cord that you can charge your drone with. It also comes with, let's see. Oh wow. Wow. They give you 2 extra cords. That's awesome. So one go bad, you'll have another one on hand to use. And it's a really nice box to put your drone in. So guys, now let's talk about the remote. The remote gives you like a toy feel. So you see the remote? And you will take these out and you will do this and you will flip this top right here. See? Flip it. And you will take your phone and you'll put your phone here. And once you put your phone here, you know, you download the app. And once you download the app, this is really simple to use. Once you get into the app, it will ask you to connect it to your phone. So you're connected to the phone inside the Wi-Fi settings. And once you do that, you will go into the app and you will begin the process of connecting the drone. And it's simple, it's easy. 1, 2, 3, bam, you're flying your drone. This will be a good gift also for your kids. So if your kids are into drones and want to learn how to fly a drone, this is the best drone to buy your child for them to learn how to fly a drone. So if you guys are looking to get into learning how to fly a drone for your YouTube videos or anything else, this is the best drone to use. Now let's talk about the camera. The camera on the drone do a lot of shaking. So when you're flying, it's shaking a lot, and that's something I can't deal with. I need that drone camera to be stabilized, that when it's flying, it looks like a helicopter or a plane just moving smoothly. You're not gonna get this out of this drone. So be aware of that. But you're going to get camera footage. It may be a little jumpy up and down, but you still got some camera footage for the price. So it's not, like I said, not a bad price, and it's good for what you're paying for the drone. Let's talk about, can you use this drone for music videos or real estate projects and all that? No, you can't. This is not the drone to be going out and buy thinking you're going to jump into the professional world of being a videographer, flying a drone and getting the best footage you need for your client's video. This is not a drone for that. No. But like I said, if you never flew a drone before, this is the drone to buy. So you can learn how to fly it. So when you do get that nice drone, you can get to work with doing what you need to do. All right, guys, last but not least, the video quality isn't that professional quality you're going to be looking for. It just gives you the basic camera footage. It's not going to give you that 4K, 5K, that 1080p quality that you're looking for. And when you're flying the drone, it's going to go back and forth. Now, I remind you, the drone is not going to fly far. Whatever distance you fly from north, east, south, or west, it's going to stop at a certain distance, and you're not going to be able to fly as far as you want to fly. So again, like I was telling you guys, this is a good drone, but it's a good drone for learning how to fly a drone. It's also good for kids. So if you have children and they want a drone, you can buy this drone for Christmas. Christmas is right around the corner. So you can buy this drone right now. Just go in my description below, click on it. It'll be a great gift, and they can learn how to fly. Now this drone is the F11PRO. You can go to Ruko website. I'm gonna leave all the descriptions below, and you can click on it and you can buy this drone today. Now, if this is your first time tuning into the channel, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you can keep up with all the vlogs that I post. Now, I am about to go live my day.